Alright guys, what up? Diaz Vlogs. I'm back again with another video today. Cameraman, if you don't mind, I'll rise. What up? We got my boy Devin as the cameraman today. And we also got my dad along for the first time, or second time on the channel. It's probably a really old video that I remember that we did have him on. But today guys, we're super excited. You guys are finally going to see the lip spoiler installation. I ordered it from ECS Tuning. It is the gloss black one. We actually got the package here not so long ago. I was too excited, so I opened it up really instantly. But as you guys can tell, where's the...
Inside.
It's inside, right?
It's inside.
Yeah, I'm going to cover up this information. Oh, yeah. Alright. But this is it right here, guys. This is the gloss black lip spoiler from ECS Tuning. This is basically, it's already got the 3M adhesive on there, but what we have to do is that we have to clean off the rear trunk, and then we're going to take off the protective plastic that's on here. At first I thought it was like naturally scratchable, I was like, but then I like how I realized that it was actually like a protectant for it, so that when they package it and when it goes through. But assuming, of course, it's going to go on this way, we're going to have it installed on there. We just got to make sure we measure it right. I mean, it's the exact fitment, you know, so that's perfect. Like, I'm feeling it on each end. It, like, fits flush. But this is how it would look on there. I mean, it looks pretty sick. What do you think about it, Dad? Looks good?
Yeah.
You like it? For real?
Yeah.
I don't know, guys. That's kind of suspicious. Put down in the comments down below if you think that he does like it or not. But we're going to see. Do we have some blue tape that we could probably hold it? And then we could carefully, after we clean it and stuff? Or we just put it on because, I mean, it's got the thing on there. These are the 3M adhesives.
Just throw it on. Clean,
okay.
Just clean and roll.
Alright, so we're going to put this here for one moment. And then we got our alcohol wipes right here. And then we're just going to clean, we're going to clean all the way up here just to be on the safe side, just in case, guys. And then we're going to clean probably to the bottom light just to be on the safe side. We want this as clean as possible. No dust on there or anything, no wax, you know, and oily substance. So here, I'll start on the other side then. We're gonna wipe it down. And make sure we clean this really well. Yeah, see, I already got dirt. And even before I turn on the camera, I also like clean it a little bit more. So we're just being really safe and cautious. Here, I'm gonna do it one more time, Dad, just to be on the safe side. Because we want to make sure we get this done right, guys. Like, kind of scared. Oh yeah, don't worry if the touchscreen turns or if the screen turns off. Did it turn off on you?
Yeah, I got scared. I was like, oh no, shut off.
It's all good. I'm trying to get the main part, and then trying to get down below too.
Hey Joe, it's okay to take the stickers.
Well, no, what you gotta do is that I saw on the video, on a different video. So there's a different video I was basing it off. What they do is that they remove the sticker, but as they had the spoiler on there, they were peeling it off as the spoiler was on there. So I'm just trying to figure out, like, if we're going to be doing this right.
Well, what's peeling it off or? Oh, okay.
Yeah, the
Well, you know.
because we want to match it up right, you know what I mean? We got to make sure it's exact.
Here's what you got to do is get them all started, but don't commit to them yet.
Don't commit to it? Okay. We'll just get them started then.
What?
We're just peeling off the beginning ends of them so that we don't peel off the whole entire thing. Cause man, I'll be scared if we did. Actually, you know what? I think we're just gonna do a time lapse and then we'll do a before and after.
Yeah. Okay.
Here, so hold on. Here.
Here.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, right here. See that?
Nah, you're saying there's nothing. It's exactly, man. He's scaring me, guys. But look, dude, look at this, guys. So we did a time lapse because I wasn't sure how we were gonna do it. But guys, it's on there. The first actual, well, not the first legitimate thing we did the lights, but guys, we finally did it. We finally freaking did it. It looks so beautiful. We took the wrap off that it was on, but oh my lord, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Ah!
I'm so happy that you're happy.
I know, thank you. God bless, bro. God bless. Now that it's on there, I mean, hey, it's really on there. And the cool thing that I really like about this right here is how, even though with the wrap, it like protected it so it didn't damage it through the packaging. So if you guys see this at ECS Tuning, you know, definitely a brilliant product. Thank you guys so much, you know, for, you know, releasing a lip spoiler for the Volkswagen Jetta for the MK7. So thank you guys, definitely.
Question
you know,
is,
for a cool car.
Stay on when you go in a car wash.
Yes, it stays on, man. It's the adhesive. It's strong. It's 3M industrial. It's just stuck on
I was
it.
about to say, it'll
Yeah.
be bull if you just take that in the car wash. And
I'm pretty sure it stays
I
on.
think that's a waste of money.
But if you guys are looking for a lip spoiler, you know, for your Volkswagen Jetta, make sure to go on ecstuning.com. They'll definitely have it there for you. I bought it. I ordered mine. Let's say on April 4th. Yeah, April 4th was when I placed my order, and it came here pretty fast. Thank you, Dad, once again. Yeah, but if you guys definitely want to check it out, make sure you guys check out their stuff. I'm just like stuttering a little bit and trying to talk. I can't even talk straight because I'm so excited. Crazy thing is that I didn't think I was gonna get it until I finally made the decision, guys. I mean, you guys also wanted to see it too, so it definitely looks really good. But also, for everybody that's asking, that's gonna ask too, I was not sponsored or anything, or, you know, endorsed. So this is just me on my own buying, you know, the product, and just thanking them if they ever see it on the video. So once again, thank you guys, you know, for making such an awesome product that a person could buy, you know, make their ride, you know, stylish, you know, the hookup. But I'm so excited, guys. It's on there. It's on there. Woo, man, this is dope. But this is it for today's video. Actually, before we go, I am gonna do a roll by with it. So we're gonna see how it looks, you know, just out on the street and out and about. So we'll be right back. Definitely looks good, guys.
Hold up.
Hold on. Slight intermission, slight intermission. How does it look, Devin?
Great.
It's great.
Great.
Check it out, guys. Now we actually got the looks of it. I mean, oh man, it looks so good. How you really feel about it, Devin?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah. Now I know who to come to if I want to get munch done too.
Heck yeah. What do you call it? I like how it matches. See how it goes along the line right here?
Yep.
With the design. We got that. And then also we fixed the lighting on this side, guys. See how it doesn't hang no more? We finally fixed the light, so now it looks like, you know, it's hidden. We got it pretty dope.
Don't mind the Capri Sun in the door.
Oh yeah, my mom. That was my mom this morning. She goes, okay, we're good. I'm like, bruh. But now that we got the lights done, now that we got the lip spoiler done, the next thing we got to do, guys, put in the comments down below what you guys feel like. I feel like we should go for the rims or the tints. I mean, it's one or the other. I personally think we'll do the tints And
Tints.
then after the tint,
I know cameraman's not important, but tints.
no, cameraman's important. And you know what? Yeah, tints. We'll go with tints. Now, what percentage, Devin? What do you feel like?
I say 25. You don't want it too dark to where you get pulled over.
Yeah. Well, the thing is, my tint guy, he doesn't have 25. He only has 20 or 35.
20 works. 20's dark, but not dark. So
Not dark.
20 works.
So 20.
Because you don't want to be pulled over some stupid stuff. So, you know, 20's the gray right now.
20's away. All right. So I'll do 20s. I was talking about it. We'll do 20s on all the 3 windows on each side. And then on the back one, I was thinking about doing 35.
Or
Yes.
I'm just saying.
Yes.
Because they don't really care who's in the back seat. You can make the back as dark as you want, but keep the front as light. They only want to know who drives. They don't care about the back people. They're not important.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
It's up to you. It's your car. I'm just giving you some advice, you know.
I mean, you know, I might have to consider your offer, Devin. I know me and everybody in the comments have been talking about like a percentage and stuff, but
Like you can do, I'm just throwing it out there. You can do 10% in the back and make it dark in the back,
yeah,
and keep the front as 20%.
20.
As long as they see who drives, they don't care. They just want to know who's driving the car.
Bruh, decisions. Oh, okay. You know what?
How about everybody subscribe, leave comments, see what's going on. Say he keeps the back 5%, makes it dark in the back, but keeps the front 25%. Leave comments, let us know.
You know what? Yeah, leave in the comments, guys, because now I'm just sitting here like, bro, what's going on now? I'm just like, dude, this is crazy. We got it on the exact fitment too. You know what? You guys are awesome for making it exactly. Like these guys are awesome for making it literally the exact fit. And I mean, look at this. Like, it's stuck on there. It's stuck on the trunk, you know? I gotta, yeah. So if I open it, just close it, you got it right on there. So thank you guys for staying tuned to the channel once again. Thank you guys for watching the whole thing. I know it was really short, and I know it probably wasn't the exact video that some were looking for, but I'm glad that for those that are looking to get, you know, lip spoiler for their Volkswagen Jetta, I'm glad that you guys came here, you know, to see how it looks, you know, and basically like a full-on video. I haven't seen too many videos from, you know, like different stuff and products for the Volkswagen Jetta for the 2019, so I'm glad I could be part of that, you know, group and say, you know what, we finally got something on here, and we're finally going to be able to show others, you know, what we can do. Now next is if we can get a cold air intake onto the actual thing, onto the actual car, you know, once we reach 800 subscribers, that's going to be awesome, you know, so make sure you guys keep liking it up and keep following. Once again, guys, stay safe, have a good rest of the time. Diaz Vlogs is out. Hey guys, Diaz Vlogs here. If you guys enjoyed the content, smash that subscribe button. Also, if you guys want a shout out, make sure to comment down below and hit that like button. But once again, guys, thank you guys for staying tuned. Have a good rest of the day.